closer, I'm on a landmine. Come closer, I'm on a landmine. I have sent you my children openly. You leaned on the cold stone walls of Tiananmen Square, watching pigeons peck at the gifts of passers-by. My children, they ran about with outstretched arms and screams of glee, chasing birds no God had told they must slow down to be held by inexperienced hands. They were children who would not catch a single bird, shouting their freedoms to captive souls who would not catch a single word, lest they hear it and be changed. My children caught bullets instead. Come closer, I'm on a landmine. I have sent you my children timidly. You wore blue shirt, blue pants, pockets full of secrets. I taught them tally your number 911. Taught them your silver badge was an ear pressed to the ground to hear them calling. That you would answer when I, in my absence, could not. They called to you in long-lost mother tongue, strange language. You hesitated, flinched. You did not hear them screaming while they burned. Come closer, I'm on a landmine. I have sent you my children angrily. You wore desert shades and boots filled with sand, you and your fellows. My children were sharper than your bayonets, quicker than your reflex, but you were not fair. You met them in crowded passageways. 5 men to 1 spread their blood upon the pavement. Brain, leg, gut, and groin swept their fragments into heaps to dry there and be spat upon. With my last soul song, I defy you. With the notes of my children's last refrains, I still hear them singing down through generations. I am haunted by the din of what remains. My foot is on the pressure switch of your last threatening blow. I will send you my children no more. I send you me. I will send you my children no more. I send you me. Come closer. I'm on a landmine. Go ahead. Push me. Please.